So simply what is happening in this question, that on this surface we want to calculate total charge, okay, and if you see, because of this minus q, if you see what is the bound charge on this surface, so bound charge, if I take sigma b, that is given by p dot n cap. So if I see inner surface, the polarization p will be also in minus r cap direction, and n cap is also minus r cap direction. So sigma b is equal to simply p. Okay. For polarization calculation, we can take a very simple route, that P is equal to epsilon naught chi E into capital E. And in this case, it is sigma B is equal to epsilon naught, and you remember 1 plus epsilon R 1 plus chi E is equal to epsilon R. So chi E is simply epsilon R minus 1, right? So what will happen? This will become epsilon naught chi R minus 1, and electric field will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon R Q by A square, Q by A square. So this will become sigma B and P, both are same, okay? So sigma B into 4 pi A square, this is what we want to calculate, because we want total charge on the inner surface. So this will become epsilon naught, epsilon R is given as 9 minus 1, and 4 pi is gone, A is gone, okay? So upon epsilon naught, what is epsilon R? Epsilon R is 9 into 9 so epsilon naught cancel, 9 cancel, it is just 8 coulomb. So you can check, this is actually very nice question, even though looks simple.